Respect, honor, and self esteem are fundamental components that build the texture of social interaction in the complex world of human interactions. However, gaining respect might seem like exploring a maze in a society where the commotion of voices often dominates the significance of any one person. In this video, I'll talk about how to develop self esteem and respect by exploring 7 simple strategies appropriate in both personal and professional contexts. Number 1. Sticking to your principles. Conflict is an inevitable part of human interaction, but how we navigate it speaks volumes about our character. Holding firm to our principles while remaining open to dialogue is key to earning respect without escalating conflict unnecessarily. It's about standing up for what we believe in with clarity and conviction while also being willing to listen to different viewpoints with an open mind. By prioritizing meaningful communication over winning arguments, we cultivate an environment of mutual respect and cooperation. Number 2. Recognizing your worth. Self-worth is the cornerstone of self-esteem, the bedrock upon which our identity is built. It encompasses how we perceive ourselves and our intrinsic value, irrespective of external validation. It's about recognizing our strengths, unique qualities, and contributions to the world. Cultivating self-worth involves introspection, acknowledging our worthiness, and embracing authenticity. By aligning our actions with our values, honoring commitments, and staying true to ourselves, we lay the foundation for self-respect to flourish. When we value ourselves, others are more likely to mirror that respect back to us. Number 3. Setting boundaries respectfully. Boundaries delineate the contours of our self-respect, safeguarding our emotional well-being and preserving our autonomy. Asserting boundaries isn't about building walls, but about communicating our needs, preferences, and limits with clarity and grace. It involves saying yes when we mean yes and no when we mean no without guilt or apology. Assertiveness, when wielded with kindness and diplomacy, fosters mutual respect and understanding. By respecting our boundaries, others learn to respect us too. Number 4. Embracing vulnerability. In a culture that often equates vulnerability with weakness, embracing our vulnerabilities requires courage. Vulnerability is the birthplace of authenticity, connection, and empathy. It's about having the courage to show up, be seen, and be honest about who we are, even when it's uncomfortable. Sharing our struggles, fears, and failures openly creates space for genuine connection and understanding. When we embrace vulnerability, we invite others to do the same, fostering deeper relationships built on trust and mutual respect. Number 5. Showing genuine appreciation. In a world that often pits us against each other, genuine appreciation becomes a powerful antidote to rivalry and envy. Celebrating others' successes and strengths without reservation or jealousy fosters goodwill. It's about acknowledging the value and contributions of others, whether through a simple thank you or heartfelt praise. By highlighting the strengths and achievements of those around us, we uplift others and enhance our reputation as gracious and generous individuals. Number 6. Listening actively. Effective communication is the cornerstone of healthy relationships, and active listening lies at its heart. Active listening goes beyond hearing words. It involves giving our full attention, showing empathy, and seeking to understand the speaker's perspective. It's about listening with curiosity, not just waiting for our turn to speak. By truly listening to others, we signal that their thoughts and feelings matter, fostering deeper connections and mutual respect. Number 7. Leading by example. True leadership isn't about titles or authority. It's about the consistency of our actions and the integrity of our character. Leading by example means embodying the values and principles we espouse in our daily lives. It's about treating others with dignity and respect, even when no one is watching. By staying true to our values and demonstrating integrity in all our interactions, we inspire respect and admiration in others. Leadership is not about commanding respect, but earning it through our actions and character. Gaining respect and influence is not a destination, but a journey to travel of self-discovery, growth, and personal development. By supporting our self-worth, setting boundaries respectfully, embracing vulnerability, sticking to our principles, showing genuine appreciation, listening actively, and leading by example, we unlock the power of self-esteem and command respect in every feature of our lives. As we exemplify these principles, we elevate ourselves and inspire others to do the same, creating a ripple impact of respect and influence that resonates throughout our communities and beyond.